we go. I've reached the freeway entrance north, Interstate California 605. There it is, the Long Beach Town Center. The Regal movie theater. I didn't even know they still had that. Fire wings. Man, when you actually come here, this place is much more sprawling. This is just employees only. Okay. What store is this? Oh, it's Tilly's. I don't know if you can see. There you go. Total Wine, Spirits, Beer, and more. Security. Yeah, it's just a million furniture stores and clothing stores. Okay, so here's the auto shop. You can see into El Dorado Park from here. Yeah. Yeah, so when I'm in the park, I usually look through this fence. be some tweaker action in here. I know they can get into that ditch and then they can go to El Dorado Park. There's usually a hole in the fence. What's this car? Is it abandoned or something? Oh. Barnes and Nobles, optometry. Oh, there they are, security. Man, this is different than that Anaheim place. The outside's always crowded. This place, it's like the people go straight from their cars and into the Ross or whatever. Let me guess. There's no way to get into Walmart from here. Nope, I was wrong. You can go straight to Walmart. The Salvation Army. Chihuahua.
Knock it off.
I'll do the obligatory walkthrough of Walmart. Ooh, what kind of chickens do they have? Heck, I'd buy something right now, but I don't want to have to worry about it all the way back to Buena Park. Okay, pretty standard Walmart. There's one thing I might want to look at. How appropriate. They're great. Okay, here we go. $62 for 256 gigabytes. Man, the writing's too small to see. But yeah, here are the prices. Yeah, these used These used to be like $15, 128 gigabyte. And here's this. Oh yeah, they still have little cheap knives. I don't know how good they are. Man, see right there, I'll look up how much that SOG knife is. It's probably just a cheap stainless steel imitation of a SOG knife, but still pretty good. Nah, I don't think they have that much slingshots or anything. Nah. Yeah, I can see some slingshots up there, but it's just the basic. Just an average Walmart. Hey, where's the main exit?